Hi everyone, my name is Tanisha Francis and I'm currently a junior 2 here at Kettering University. I'm studying computer engineering with a minor in business. In my first year at Kettering University, I had just traveled miles away, leaving everyone I know and love back home in Jamaica. It was definitely challenging at first, getting used to the snow, getting used to the different food and culture, but I'm really grateful for the welcoming community of staff as well as students. I really am passionate about serving people and I'm really looking forward to using my Kettering degree to find a job that allows me to fulfill this personal passion while at the same time serving people and keeping them at the heart and core of what I do. One word I would use to describe my schoolmates is powerful. All the students at this university has been given so many resources to help prepare them for tomorrow. I really do believe that in the future, us as Kettering students will be able to make a difference in this world through what we've learned, and I'm super excited for that. If you are on the fence about coming to Kettering University, I highly recommend you take that step over. It is a smaller school, so you are really able to get to know a lot of the student body and just network with them and be able to work alongside them